This man is a marketing king who has single-handedly crushed Red Bull and Monster. Manoj Bhargava is an entrepreneur who wanted to create an energy drink. The problem was that he knew he didn't stand a chance against the two giants, Red Bull and Monster. But fortunately, Bhargava is very intelligent, and he spotted a weakness in his companions. He realized that some of their customers sometimes bought cans and took just 1 or 2 sips to give themselves satisfaction, then threw the half-full drink away. They gave him an idea, and that's what he did. Rather than offering cans in the standard format, he designed small jars of energy drinks that can be drank in a single gulp. In addition to meeting the needs he had identified, this small format enabled the drink to be displayed and sold close to the checkouts rather than shelves where all his competitors are displayed. And to make sure that consumers understood the promise of his drink, he named it 5 hours of extra energy to directly sell the end result. This story is a pure example of a sharp-minded market strategy. So join our digital marketing course to boost your marketing strategies.